I feel it in many different ways. And sometimes I don't manage to contain it. And then it slips out and I'm angry at someone. And then I notice afterwards, oh, this didn't bring me my needs met. So how was it, this anger thing? But sometimes I am in a good place in my life and I experience this as something happens out there that I really don't like. And maybe it's just a small thing, or something that is not very clear that I need to be angry about it yet, but I have a sense that I'm ready to be angry about it. And if I'm in a good place, I have some experiences of being really awake to this energy that rises up in me, and then let it like wash through me, like it's permeating my system. So it's like a little wave that goes back and forth, and I let it touch me. I let it go through me. I let it be in me, and take some deep breath. And then on a good day, it often transforms into clarity. Clarity of what action I can take that is in my power. So this is the place I like to be with anger. I'm not always there because I'm still learning. I'm still practicing to expanding my inner space. That's what we need to contain the anger. I need a bigger inner space so that I can welcome me, welcome my feelings, welcome my reaction. I have a deep, long-standing tradition of arguing with myself. That's nothing to be angry about. And the other person didn't mean it badly. And there probably is a good intention behind it. And don't be so upset about so. I mean, I have so many arguments to try to speak myself away from having the reaction I have. So I'm in a good place when I can notice it and welcome it and say, yes, I'm angry now. Let's see what kind of movement in me this will create.